Well, never go by eye.
No, I'm not.
That's pretty good, you know.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. That's it. Pretty good.
Gee, you've got a bigger level than me.
Oh, there's different.
So this is all the timber, the posts and rails and things, because we're turning the carport round. So instead of coming into the carport from the road, we've blocked that off, and you have to come into the garden and then park. Car's already got dirty, but we live in the country. It has an awning, so if he's chopping wood, he can pull, and he's hot, he can pull the awning out and sit in the shade. Roof racks and toolboxes. It's coming along slowly. It's a big job.
Now,
It's
what's got to be done?
finished.
The only thing we'll do is put those fillers in. Is that right?
Just about finished.